Hello, in this video we are going to have a look at how to change an image in a web page. So have a quick look at our website. We'll pick this image here. So if we wanted to change this image for a new image in the content management system, first thing we really want to do is have a look and see what size that existing image is. So we go into File Manager, and this image is located in this folder. Here it is, picture of the river and the building here. So we can see that this image is been uploaded at its size is 1990 pixels by 700 pixels. So we're going to change it. We'd want to have already uploaded an image of exactly the same dimensions. Then, so once we've uploaded the image, which is in a previous tutorial, we then go into Articles, and the page that we looked at was the home page. So we click on the Edit button here, and in our content elements on this page we can see here we have an image, and to change it it's as simple as clicking on the pencil icon to edit the content element, and here is the source file and change selection. Now if we click change selection, we've then got all of the other images that we've already uploaded that we can now select from, and we can browse all of the folders, pick the image that we've already uploaded and that we want to change to, and once we've changed it, simply click apply. And once you've clicked apply, you just click save and close, and you'll be able to refresh your page and see that the image has changed. I hope you found that helpful. Thanks for listening.